Hi everyone, my name is Mateo Prigel and welcome to my course on managing Amazon EC2 storage. In this course, we will go over the different storage services you can use in AWS, like the Elastic Block Store service or the Instant Store disks. EBS service offers a range of different volume types and options you can pick to customize the storage for your EC2 instances. We will also go over the EBS backup options to increase the durability of your volumes with EBS snapshots and Amazon machine images. After you choose the wanted volume type, you need to know how to make it available inside of your instance. This process will be different for Windows and Linux instances, and we will deep dive into both of them. All of the available volume actions will be shown inside of the AWS console and the AWS CLI. When we get familiar with managing the storage, we will learn how to make it more secure by encrypting the volumes. We will also get into strategies to optimize the volumes with EBS optimized instances, initializing and implementing RAID 0 and RAID 1. Some of the major topics that we will cover include choosing the appropriate storage type, backing up data, managing storage devices, encrypting EBS volumes, and increasing the storage performance. You should be somewhat familiar with EC2 service itself, but we'll go over connecting to Windows and Linux instances step by step, accessing Linux instances from Windows and vice versa. By the end of the course, you will have a solid knowledge about the EC2 storage options and how to utilize them in the best way. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to implement storage devices with the Managing Amazon EC2 Storage course at Pluralsight.